Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. I'm back from OMNICAMP, and let's get going. So, the last 2 nights I haven't put out videos because I was working in OMNICAMP. I give my OMNICAMPers undivided attention. But I will tell you, every night I put an Omni out to notify my Omniacs of where I think the market will go. This chart right in front of your eyes has been out on the Omni since Sunday. Caution flags are flying. So I put it out Sunday, Monday, and I put it out again on Tuesday, this chart, to show you that we've got a double top. And when you get a double top, you get a pullback, right? So caution flags have been flying. We've got a red Omni for trading on Wednesday, August 20th, 2025. Please remember how risky trading is. Never, ever trade without putting in a stop, a protective stop first. It'll keep you alive in this business. Dow futures, double top. We're starting to get a pullback. Look what happened once the Dow put in its double top. Look what the Nasdaq did. Nasdaq pulls through a major support line, breaks through an average, and I've got a red Omni for trading on Wednesday. Support line broken. And then, of course, when the indices start moving, you get this to happen. Bitcoin. Remember we had this monster flag in Bitcoin, bull flag? It added 5,000 points of a rally. But now that rally has petered, and instead we are in a channel moving lower with a red Omni for trading on Wednesday. So bull flag worked, but now it's over, right? The bull flag has done its job. Bull flag complete. Now we look towards the next formation, and that happens to be what's happening inside this. So that's where we're at. I'll be looking to actually continue buying dips in Bitcoin because long term, I love Bitcoin and I don't usually sell out. So I'll be buying dips as it moves lower because why not? I think it's smart to hold Bitcoin long term. And that's what I wanted to show you for trading on Wednesday. Traders, thank you for all your participation, your comments. I always reply to your comments personally, which of course I will do. And now that OmniCamp is out of the way here in Vegas, Australia camp is next. I didn't forget about you Australians. You'll start hearing from me tomorrow. Let's get Australia set up. We'll get out there, and OmniCamp will happen soon enough. If you haven't filled out your OmniCamp for Australia, I'm coming to Australia. It's easy. Go to omnibootcamp.com and just fill out an OmniCamp application. Let me know you want OmniCamp in Australia, and I'll be more than happy to review your application and see if you qualify for a seat. Very limited seats. Small class is going to happen in Australia, but I've got a lot of fans in Australia and Omniacs, and I want to give you all a chance to fill out applications. Make sure you do. I promise to call all of them back myself. Leave your comments. You'll hear from me. Like and share these videos. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. That is the truth. Put your stops in first. Keep your emotions out of your decisions. You'll be a much better trader. I'll see you all at livewithoscar.com.